Good morning, friends. Today I am going to switch on the fourth chapter of the first unit. We have completed the reproduction in organisms first lesson, second lesson sexual reproduction in plants, and third lesson human reproduction, obviously very interesting. And fourth lesson is the best lesson of knowledge, full of knowledge, that is reproductive health. So I will after finishing the four lesson, I will revise all the three lessons, and after completion of the first unit, I will switch on the third unit, that is very interesting, that is genetics. Genetics. You have studied some of the topics of the genetics in previous classes, 10th class, I think. I mean that. Though then, regarding reproductive health means, in this lesson we will study human population and methods to control overpopulation, medical termination. MTP means, in this lesson there are much abbreviations. MTP means medical termination. Then amniocentesis, very good topic. We will study amniocentesis. We also studied in previous classes. Who were with me in 10th class, Shruti and other students. Then infertility, the problem of today is infertility in the human beings, male, female, and test tube baby. Test tube baby is very interesting topic. My favorite topics are, I always tell in the class, amniocentesis and test tube baby. Then gift. The full name of gift is gamete intrafallopian transfer. Gift means gametes intrafallopian transfer. This is all artificial insemination. ICSI, intracytoplasmic sperm injection. The sperm injection in the egg, that is the latest technique, ICSI, intracytoplasmic sperm injection. Artificial insemination, it is very common in animals now, it is very common in human beings. There are so many movies, Wiki Donor and like that. They are to educate people. Sex education is the primary education. That must be given to everybody. Parents and teachers hesitate to speak about it. Only biology teacher can teach it very efficiently if the students are efficient and interested in that topic. Then, what is health? Reproductive health means absence of disease. Any type of disease. We should be, the body should be healthy, mind should be healthy, social life should be healthy, our reproductive life should be healthy, our society, our family should be healthy. Health. I will tell something, the secrets of health. Then in this topic, population, we will study population, overpopulation, population explosion. The Greek philosopher told that the theory of four humors. The old tradition was our phalgam, our blood, our black bile and yellow bile, वात पित्त कफ और खून शुद्ध होना चाहिए. And disease is opposite to health. Today most of the diseases are our lifestyle diseases. I will tell you what are lifestyle diseases, or diseases created by our own self. That is the myth diseases, latest technology, lifestyle diseases and myth diseases. Diseases created by own self. Beyond the topic of the lesson. Total well-being of all aspects of reproductive health should be, it is studied in this topic. And human population, demography, this is all very present in the topic. This is all about previous lessons, the introduction of this lesson. The two topics I will discuss. The one topic, my favorite topic, amniocentesis. Amniocentesis means, I always tell my students, previously in the previous lesson you studied that the fetus is floating in the amniotic fluid. The amniotic fluid is a small pond where we all float before birth. What is amniocentesis? It is a very old technique. Amniocentesis means you determine the genetic diseases of the developing baby before birth, but it was misused. What the doctors see by sonography technique, the doctors see the position of each child. By injection from the stomach, and that injection enters the uterus, take the fluid from the floating embryo. The fluid contains the cell broken by the fetus. The cells are seen under the microscope. The female cell and male cell are different. The cell of the brother and sister is different only by one bar body, because female cell has 2x and male cell has xy. The X cell other than 1x, because female has 2x, so that shows a bar body. Bar body means a female cell, the doctor say it is female. Previously the parents were crushing the female by killing a female before birth, female foeticides, and it was very common, it was legal 20 years ago, 15 years ago, rather 20 years ago. Then the government made ban, now nobody can kill the female fetus. So amniocentesis meant taking fluid and checking the genetic disorders and metabolic disorders and prenatal diagnostic techniques. But it was misused, now it is controlled. So amniocentesis is taking the amniotic fluid and seeing the sex of the child, and sex determination and congenital disease and genetic disorder, and repairing that. Amniocentesis is a very interesting topic. You study today, and you start the lesson, very simple, easy lesson, very less diagrams, and very general lesson about population exploration. I will continue tomorrow. Thank you so much.